Hi, good evening. I'm meteorologist Chita Craft, and we have a tornado watch that's in effect from Montgomery County, and then all counties basically to our north, east, and west. However, we're also tracking a severe thunderstorm warning, and that has been issued for Polk County until 11:45. So I do want to take this time update you. I am expecting a line of showers and thunderstorms to even work through Harris County and south of. It's just this line is really going to weaken. So a lot of the hail reports that we've received north of town, a lot of that is going to weaken before it actually gets into the city. But let me go ahead and put this into motion for you so you can see what we're tracking here. From Bryan, College Station, Huntsville, right through Walker County, and then again moving into Polk County. That's where that severe thunderstorm warning is, shaded in yellow until 11:45 this evening. The tornado watch actually goes until 1 o'clock this morning. So we are going to see the chance for pea-sized to maybe quarter-size hail overnight. Wind gusts around 50 to maybe 60 miles per hour, especially for our northern counties. And then these quick, heavy downpours capable of producing a half to maybe even an inch and a half of rain in a very short period of time. So right over Seven Oaks, Livingston, Goodrich, here's Corrigan. Look at the amount of lightning associated with those storms. Now that is working to our east. So now what I'm going to be watching for is some back building that's going on right along I-35. So here's Austin, Round Rock, Marble Falls, and notice the next line of thunderstorms. This very well could produce some strong to even severe thunderstorms for our northern counties. So all of those counties under the red boxes, that tornado watch, you'll see that capability through about 1 o'clock this morning, and then that line should dramatically weaken. But you're still looking at a messy morning commute. I want you to expect rain out the door between about 5 to maybe through 9 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. Here's our hail detector. You know, this really shows some of the severity in these thunderstorms, how it goes right from Centerville, even Franklin, Madisonville, and then shoots right into Corrigan. That's where that severe thunderstorm warning is right now. But notice how it really starts to weaken once it moves over 45 through Huntsville, just north of Conroe. So think areas north of Spring. Those are areas that could see the potential of hail, damaging winds, and those really heavy downpours. 1 o'clock in the morning, this is the back building that's going on around I-35. This will be the next line of thunderstorms capable of producing some severe weather. But that even starts to weaken, especially once it heads into the city. So from Harris County and anywhere areas south of I-10, you'll probably pick up a half an inch of rain, maybe overnight and early tomorrow. So this is 2:30 through about 4:30 in the morning. Scattered, broken activity south of I-10, but there's the potential of still those strong thunderstorms. Then once we get into kind of the heart of your morning commute, I'm expecting just messy conditions. You'll need your windshield wipers, but not severe weather between about 5 to 9 a.m. Just expect that messy morning commute. And then after 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, that's it for the rain. Okay, if you're planning midday or afternoon tomorrow, you should be almost partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies by the evening tomorrow. So really pleasant conditions for your Thursday afternoon. Looking at the severe weather threat, the Storm Prediction Center has stayed really steady on areas basically from Huntsville and north of under that Category 3. That's the biggest hail, strongest winds, gusty winds up to about 50 plus miles per hour. And then once you look at that threat level of 2, still potential of hail, some gusty winds, but not quite as strong. And once we get past about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, that line really breaks apart. So it'll just mainly be rain for the morning commute. Overall rainfall totals anywhere from a half to an inch and a half of rain. That is not going to create any high water. Now, in an isolated spot of a low-lying area that picks up more than that in a really short period of time, may be quick to see a high water spot, but most of us, I don't think that's going to be a threat. The flood threat is extremely low. After midday tomorrow, we're almost going to be under sunny skies. Beautiful afternoon for your Thursday. Fabulous Friday, low relative humidity. Temperatures build back into the 80s with our next front arriving early Saturday. There is going to be a rain threat. At this point, it doesn't look severe. Tonight, though, I'll leave you with the last image of our radar. You can always go to KHOU.com for the latest. We're going to leave this streaming on our website. We're also going to be sending out push alerts. If we get any warnings, we will push those onto your phone. So overnight or anytime you want to check and see either a live look at the radar or see if we have any warnings, we're going to do that for you overnight. Until then, I'm meteorologist Chita Craft, and any updates that we get, of course, we'll send those